Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And before I start this video, today I will be unboxing a package from DREADS, and as you know, I will link it somewhere up on the screen. I have already made an unboxing video of her products before, and I recently commissioned her again because I have different hair and I tend to switch between green and pink hair like quite a lot recently. So I also wanted to have a pink dreads because I really like to make hairstyles with them, and yeah. So the order was made super quickly, but I have only commissioned her for 4 dreads because I rarely wear like full set in my hair. I usually use dreads only to make hairstyles, so I have only commissioned her for 4 double-ended dreadlocks because I really like to do like 2 buns or 1 big bun on top of my head using dreadlocks. And if you stick up, I will also show you how I do these hairstyles because yeah, I have already made video about blue dread before, so I thought it could be a nice idea to spice things up and add something a little more interesting. And also, some of you have asked me how I do hairstyles with synthetic dreadlocks. So without further talking, just let's unpack this and we will continue later. Okay, so first of all, she always puts some scented herbal spray to her packages and I love it so much. It's just wow, it just smells really good, and I really hope it will stick with the dreads as long as it did with the green ones because yeah, it's really amazing. Color wise, they will fit quite nicely. I mean, I have now freshly colored hair, and after 1 or 2 washes it will like settle in, and I have also made it a little bit like cooler toned as I usually do, but yeah, since it's only accent set, like the small color difference is perfectly alright. Now she also included a lot of awesome, I think it's stickers. This is like holographic camera with herbs, a leaf, which is super hard to see, oops. Then there is this squirrel or chipmunk, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I think it's squirrel. And also a fern leaf. Then she also included free gifts. She also did with her previous order. And yeah, it includes another beads and stuff, so I can like modify the look of the dreadlocks more. And she also included free elastic bands to install the dreads. I'm using these for various things, so I will be adding them to my pot of elastic hairbands. And she also included an envelope with this cute fern stamp where there is like a thank you card, invoice, or how do you call it, and a sticker with her logo. So now that we let all of this out of the way, just let me show you how I create hairstyles with this. So I really hope I can handle this without a mirror. If you are interested trying this hairstyle, you will need 2 elastic bands, maybe more, 2 are enough for me, and also several of bobby pins and synthetic dreadlocks or wool dreadlocks, but I'm going to use my new ones. And I may mix in like to each set, for each bun I may mix like 1 green because I just really love the contrast like this. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to do twin buns today, and my hair is kind of flat, but I hope I can make it work. So first of all, I'm gonna separate a part that I want to make into bun. I obviously can't make bun of all of my hair because my hair is kind of short on the back, so yeah, it's just not possible, but I will make it from front and I will keep some loose hair on back. and you wanna put it in high ponytail like this, and you want to do the same on the other side. So now you want to add your synthetic or wool dreadlocks. I always use double-ended dreads for this. I can't really see how you can do it with single-ended dreads, so I highly recommend double-ended dreads, and I always use 2. However, since I want to add some green as well, I'm going to use 3. And the number of dreads can also depend on volume of your hair, but yeah, I usually use 2, but now I'm gonna use 3. So you will take your ponytail and basically just tie the dreads, around your hairband. It's a little bit tricky to do without a mirror, like this, with a simple knot. You will put it like as close to your scalp as you can. And let me now zoom in a little bit so you can see better. So first of all, you want to put your real hair towards one set of ends and just twist it around. I can't now let it go because it will fall apart, but you get the idea. Just twist it around the knot. Then you will take the other loose end of the threads and you will twist it the opposite direction, like this. And now you take bobby pins to secure it. It kind of hurts now because I can't see where I'm putting it, but yeah, like this. Super easy. You may use 1, 2 or however many you want, however many is needed. I usually end up only using 1 or 2 because yeah, I just have it in my hand and I managed to put it in my hair so it holds quite well, because dreads make it hold better as if you were only doing your buns without them. And now do the same thing with the second ponytail. You can also add some like decorations. I have this hair clip I have made. I still have one in my coffee store. I will link it down below. Like this. And yeah, I think this hairstyle looks super cute. You can do the same hairstyle with all your hair if they are long enough, or you can also do only one bun. But for a single bun I use around 4 to 6 dreads. Depends, again, like if I do it only with half of my hair, which I now usually do, I only use 4 dreads. If I were to use all of my hair, I would probably do 6. But again, depends on how voluminous you want your buns to look, and yeah. So yeah, I think these hairstyles are super easy and they look really nice. It doesn't really matter if they are messy because yeah, they still look really nice anyway. They are easy to make and yeah. And it's super convenient way if you want to wear dreadlocks but you don't really want to install them, because it's uncomfortable for you to wear them for longer periods of time. You know, with this you just arrive home and you can let your hair loose. So yeah, it's super convenient way to wear dreadlocks and add some spice to your style, I think, and maybe also add more colors as I did here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you liked it. I will link BLU dreads and also all of my social links in the description. Thank you again so much for watching. Let me know if you would try this hairstyle, and I hope to see you in my next video very soon. Have a nice day!